Well, I thought I would come out and see if I could find baby Penny and just kind of like take a look around and see if I can find her. I'm so worried about her, and I thought maybe I could, have some clues or something. I thought I could just take a look around and see if she might be out here, but I don't know. It's so hot out today, too. Oh, what's, oh, what is this? Looks like a note. Somebody left a note. Huh. Let me just take a seat here and... Oh. I thought I heard something out here. To get your baby back, you have to complete a series of challenges. Signed, Hello Neighbor. Well, I thought I heard something out here. It was a noise of like somebody banging on something. It must have been the door. Okay, so, well, what's the challenge? Oh, I don't know. Got a lot of ideas. Well, what is this here? What is this? The Granny Challenge. Oh, the Granny Challenge. Let's just see what it says here. To Granny, you have to make beef-a-roni, but you can't eat it. You have to feed it to an animal. This is your challenge to get your baby Penny back. Oh, well, okay. I have to give it to an animal. I don't have a dog. Nope. I don't have a cat. Nope. Let me think. Oh, wait. I know. Okay, I am in the aviary. I had an idea, since I can't feed the beef-a-roni to a dog or a cat because I don't have one, I will feed it to the birds. So, all right. All right. So, well, we'll see here what happens. I have to just do this challenge. I have to get the baby back. I'm sure baby is missing her mommy too, so I'm really sad about it. Do you think she's okay? All right. So let's see, have to give equal, right? It's always important to give equal. There you go, your beef-a-roni. You like beef-a-roni? Well, that's great you like beef-a-roni. You can help me get my baby Penny back. Thank you for helping me with this challenge. How many challenges do you think I have to do to get my baby back? Okay, Ryan. Ryan. What? Ryan. Eat your beef-a-roni. And you're eating your beef-a-roni too. You like beef-a-roni.